ready. We're at the beach. We have just arrived at the beach. Nice place, you know?
Yeah, man, it's nice one.
Beautiful, man. So you say you pay for coming, sir?
No, free of cost.
That is very good, man.
Like if you want the umbrella and it is.
You pay for it.
On the beach. On the chair. Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that at all.
7 days a week.
7 days a week?
Yeah, free of cost.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, man. If you pay for the umbrella and seat, nothing wrong with that at all. Kind of
You have restroom here, so restroom right here, and you have restroom up the top there.
Right, we need to take a walk down to the beach, because that beach I want to take.
Down here.
Yeah, man, down here, so I go. Let me go down there.
Yeah, I'll go here.
Yeah, man. We take a walk on the beach here. And look over here as well, guys. A lot of people are swimming along the beach. This is so marvelous. Look at the beautiful, guys. Let's continue walking along the beach and show you what you need to see.
Go for I'm swimming. Oh, that's cool. Yes. Dinner, theater, flowers. I like it.
But look at this guy, look at the beautiful beach, look how beautiful it is. The water, everything is nice, you know, nice and clear. Everything is nice about it, look at it, very beautiful. Come across a beautiful beach like this, guys, you know. Now it's a little bit quiet now. I never ever seen a beach so beautiful in my life. This is really, really beautiful. And look over that side as well, guys. Look at there. See, I've been walking from all the way that side, and I'm coming over to this side. Okay, the guy's calling me back, so maybe I'm not alone. Yeah. Oh, this side here, it's beautiful. Yeah, so I think I must have crossed the line. This is very beautiful. Look back, it says a dead end over that side, so that's why the guy was calling back. Simple province life with Ate, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style.
Juicy right, guys, it's really, really good price, so come here to Marrakesh, guys, in Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that.
Oh, Ate, Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco.
They're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys. So I'm very famous in this country.